Assalamu alaikum. Ramzan Mubarak. This is Dr. Shahzad Basra. People are asking me how to use Moringa during Ramadan. So I have a recipe for you. How to prepare Moringa Iftaar drink. Very easy, very tasty and energetic. How we can prepare it? We need fresh Moringa leaves. Don't take such small Moringa leaves. Avoid such small Moringa leaves. Avoid overripe yellow leaves. Just take these leaves, mature leaves. These are the best leaves you can have. A handful of Moringa leaves, fresh Moringa leaves, are enough to prepare energy drink, Iftaar energy drink for one person. To reduce the pungency and the bitter taste of Moringa leaves, you need fresh mint leaves. How much mint leaves are required to prepare Moringa energy drink? It depends upon your taste buds. It depends upon your liking. You can add equal amount or whatever the amount, but it should be less than the Moringa leaves. Moringa energy drink. Just take fresh Moringa leaves, remove the twigs, fresh mint leaves as per your taste. Few dates, better soak for 3 to 4 hours. Some salt. A pinch of black pepper. Two glasses of water. Within a few minutes, it's ready. Moringa mint Iftaar drink. Alhamdulillah, so energetic. You can sieve it if you like. For Moringa energy drink, the best thing is to use fresh Moringa leaves and mint leaves. But if you have not access to fresh Moringa leaves, then you can use the Moringa leaf dry powder. 1 teaspoonful is enough to prepare 2 glasses of Moringa drink. If you like, you can add any fruit in it. If you like, you can add sugar in it. But try to add the original fruits. Try to avoid sugar. That's wonderful. I prefer only Moringa, mint, salt, pepper, dates. That's wonderful. I hope you will like it. Please share with the others, your dears and nears. And for newcomers, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.